Son. Y'all crazy. Y'all still a little mix up. I see y'all a little talkative ass. But just to clear everything up, quarter's over. I will be seeing my son. They talking about son and daughter. I got two sons. Yeah, we ain't no mix up, man. The goal today was me to get the days I wanted for my son, the parenting plan I wanted for my son. I got that. I got everything I wanted as far as, all the holiday time, holidays, everything is in the order. The prevention's on, defamation of character, all the little shit like that, it's in there. But everything's in there to the best of my son. So I get to see him all the time. It's a day I won't go without seeing him if I want to see him every week. I still got my day when I don't have him. So that'll be good. I can see him every week. I can make sure, he see his daddy face every week type shit. And it is gonna happen. But it ain't that bad. It's just 3 days of supervised visits with a company they find. A company or place they find and have to pay for. And I just gotta show up, spend the time with my son, the little 3 days, and that's it. Which it should start soon. But everything happened in the best interest of my son, so I'm happy. Like, I can't complain. It should have been happened. Why it take so long? But that was through me. But we ended up came into agreement, lawyer to lawyer. Everything's gonna fall in place. I get to spend my time with him. I have my days with him out the week that I wanted, more than what the court will give you. Court only will give you normally Friday through Sunday, no extra days, no extra holiday, like nothing, like basically out of the ordinary. I basically got something custom. I got the Thursday through the Sunday. I got 1 week. On the week that I don't have him, I still get to see my son and he get to spend the night at my house, either a Tuesday or a Thursday. So I got what I wanted, out the deal. I got a hell of a lot. And just to drop a TPO, it's not really a big of a deal or a big of a concern. For those who was wondering, why did I drop the TPO? It's just being a bigger person, Plus, I got all what I got out of dropping it. It ended May 2nd anyway, And normally, you do 4 months. You do 4 months of supervisional visits. Like, if the judge order it, like, especially with a kid being a year old. A judge normally, normal, 4 months. So, say it would have went 4 months. I wouldn't have been able to take my son home until fucking June, probably. June, July. And it would have been 4 months, not 3 days. But it's only 3 days. And the supervised visits, I don't have to pay for because I didn't recall it. I'm not wanting someone to do this. So I don't got to pay out of pocket for it. They got to pay out of pocket for the 3 days that I do go supervise visit with my son. They have to pay for that. And then after the 3 days, I get to take them home. I can do all that shit. Like, I ain't got to be watched. That's what I'm saying. That shit gonna be lit. He gonna be happy to see me, I know. Trust and believe, he gonna know I'm his daddy. It's gonna be live. Hold on. Let me add one more person in here just to see. It's a random person.